Hello, hi guys, what's up? Hello. So we are shipping all of these pieces. These are around 75 pieces. We are shipping these to USA. Uh, yes, so since हमने यहाँ पे सारा display किया था and we were taking pictures and videos, so we thought कि why not let's just go live and show you these pieces. And you guys can also order the same from our website. They're all available. And yeah, if you're looking for a bulk order, you can directly contact us. And let's have a look at the pieces. I'm going to tell you the prices as well. So these are for 2,000 each. So very pretty. Then these are for 2,400 each. So, and we make colors also. We make lots and lots of colors in this. 2,400 is the price. And we make 3 colors in this. 2,000 is the price. Then of course ये सारे brass वाले हैं. So these are all for 1,650 each. The ones with pearl handles are for 1,700 each. So yes. Then this is Mannat Potli. This is for 2,200. Then this beautiful tassel potli is just for 1,850. भाई बहुत लंबे लंबे tassels हैं, बहुत ही beautiful है. 1,850. Then these are also for 1,850. So all the potlies we make are both sides work. So this is also 1,850. In this we make 4 colors: gold, silver, rose gold, and this black. Then this is हमारा long fringe moon bag. This is for 2,200. ये gold silver mix है. In this also we make 6-7 colors. So आप अपनी dress के according you can order. Then these are Mahira bags. In this right now I think we have pink and we have black. So these are for 2,300 each. Then moving on, there are so many pieces. तो मैं आ रही हूँ धीरे धीरे करके सब पे. So yes, hold your horses. This one's for 2,000. This is a mirror potli, mirror black potli. And this, you know, we make in lots and lots of colors. Then these are all the batua bags. So in sabka price is between 1,900 and 2,100. Jaise this champagne one is for 1,900. This is rose gold and gold. This is for 2,100. This is for 1,900. This is for 2,000, 2,050. Then this one's again for 1,900. Then this black is also for 1,900. This you all know, Meher Batua bag is for 1,900. Let me show you this one as well. So आज हमने white background पे रखा है तो black बहुत ही easily दिख जा रहा है. So I am showing you the black pieces today. So this is also for 1,900. इसमें भी हम बहुत सारे colors बनाते हैं जैसे कि pink, red, gold, silver and this black. So, and of course suitcase bags you all know, these are for 1,450 each. So they've picked the black ones. And yeah, these are anarkali bags. This is silver, this is gold. These are for 1,900 each. Then this one's for 1,850. Then these are for 2,200 each. In this we have maroon now. And this I think is for 1,500-1,600. Then these super luxury bags are for 2,300 each. So yeah, ये सारा stone work है आगे. And this is how the back looks. 2,300 is the price. So this is gold and this is silver. We make 3 colors in this. We also make rose gold. Then हमने नए 3 colors launch करे थे ये rose flap bags में. These are for 2,050 each. So this is gold. We also make light pink and maroon. Then these are called the modern affair bags. These are for 1,600 or 1,650 each. In this we make 2 colors. This is grey. This is also called gunmetal and this is gold. Then this is black ethnic clutch. This is the same design in gold. Then these are rhinestone bags. These are for 1400 each. Then we have the wooden bags for 1600 each. And moving on to these envelope bags. This one's for 1350. This also is for 1350. This is for 1500 I think. Then this shell bag is for 1300. These Marbella bags are for 1400 I think. And this resin bag, of course, 2050 is the price. So yes, hi guys, for the ones who are joining in now, these are the pieces that we are shipping to another business owner in the USA, and these are the pieces they've selected, and we'll be adding a couple of pieces more which are on finishing right now. So, and I would be posting the video, and in सबका prices आपको easily मिल जाएगा हमारी website पे जाके. All of them are available on the website along with the prices. And हमारी website का नाम है www.clutchesandmore.in. So you can go and check out all of these designs there. This one's for 2100. And एकदम season आया हुआ है बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा. So pieces are selling out very very fast. तो don't wait up कि हम एक साथ order करेंगे. आपको जो जो pieces अच्छे लग रहे हैं आप order करते जाइए, because बाद में you might not get that piece. So this is just a very very genuine advice from my side. Because even the ones who are ordering in bulk, जैसे आप आज कुछ piece select कर रहे हो and after 2 days if you want to buy, then those pieces are not available. And yeah, Zara ji, so mother of pearl bags you can see on the website. हमारा एक category है mother of pearl bags की, आप वहाँ जाइए and you will be able to find all of them there. या फिर you can just DM me, I'll send you all available mother of pearl designs. And these are all brass clutches. These are for 1650 each. And yeah, so that's it guys, that's it. हमने bags बना के लोगों के रखे हुए हैं. So this is all our packaging material. These are the bags that we've made for different clients. And yep, that's it. So we have to pack all of these now and start the shipment process. So, and I'm going to post this video on the feed. So आप सब देखिएगा, and prices आप website पे देख सकते हैं या मुझे DM कर सकते हैं. And आप अपने order WhatsApp पे भी place कर सकते हैं या directly website से ले सकते हैं. और international clients can add pieces to the cart and send me the card screenshot, and then I'll be able to tell you the shipping cost as well. And I think I missed showing you these Chand bags. So here they are. This one's for 1950 and the gold ones are for 1900 each. So yeah. And yep, that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining in. And आपसे मिलते हैं next live में, and we would be posting the video of these bags very soon so that you guys can see the pieces that we are shipping today. And thank you. Bye bye.